Warning: this video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness.
In this tutorial, I'm not gonna declare variables using constant, but I'm gonna just declare variable like this. Over here, the first line of code, we are getting context from the canvas. I used IDC for canvas, so I can get the context, get context, and it's a 2D, so let's just say 2D. Now we are declaring a constant for bird. So bird, I already got an image of bird in the same file in which I have got this HTML file. So its name is bird.png. So we have got the bird. Now we are giving the location where the bird should be. So bird should be at x-axis, it should be 0. So what I mean is bird should be aligned left and to extreme left, and y to 200. It means the bird would be at the center of the canvas. Now here we are setting a game loop. It's set interval. So we have got a game loop over here, and let's use the game interval. Let's just say game interval to be 24. What does this mean is 1000 divided by 24, that's like 42 frames per second. So it's like 42 frames per second. Our screen would be refreshing. So over here we are now painting the canvas in sky blue color. So to paint it, what we are gonna do is we are gonna say context dot fill rectangle. For the canvas is a rectangle. So let's just say canvas size, comma canvas size, and now let's just declare canvas as 400 and as its size, right? So the size of canvas is 400, and yeah, there was a spelling mistake for interval. So now let's draw the bird. So to draw the bird, we will say context draw image, and our image is bird. So bird should be drawn where is given there, bird x and y. So bird would be drawn at its x-axis should be 0 and y-axis should be y. So bird size is also gonna be 24, but we can see the bird is too big. So let's say bird size, and it is good, but it's squished. So for that, let's give its dimension, and its dimension is gonna be 524 divided by 374. So yeah, now the bird looks alright. Now let's say we are gonna add some gravity. So for that, we are gonna say over here I am trying to catch birds vertical falling. So bird y minus equals to bird dy, and dy minus equals to 0.5. So as you can see, the bird falls due to some gravity. Now next what we are gonna do is we are gonna apply an on-click function that will make the bird fly every time we click. So bird dy is equals to 9. Now let's check it out. Oh, it's not happening. Oh yeah, there was a spelling mistake. So it's good. The bird is now flying. That's what we wanted. Yeah, so the bird is flying, but you can see that it crosses the canvas. So now what we are gonna do is we are gonna say that if the bird crosses the canvas, it will die. So let's say bird y if it is greater than canvas, over here you can see I am not gonna use if blocks, for they will take too many lines. So this is how I'm gonna write. So here, if bird is, we have got a function, if bird crosses the canvas it will die and it will again come back to its original position. It's not the most readable code, but still it is readable. Now it's good. Now let's say now let's just make some pipes. For Flapping Bird there are many pipes, right? So the pipes are usually green, so let's create them green pipes. Now they are rectangles, so we are gonna draw some rectangle pipes over here. Just say pipe x is equals to 200, or bird y, pipe x is equals to bird y, right? And its coordinates. So pipe width is also gonna be 24, or is equals to bird size, right? So over here pipe width is gonna be pipe width, and let's say pipe to be 200. Yeah, so we have got a pipe. It's good. Now just let this border, we don't need anymore this border, so the pipe sticks to top. That's what we want. So now we are gonna create, we are gonna move the pipe. So yeah, now the pipe is moving. As the game, we save the game, the pipe moves. Now what we want is, we want a pipe to come back. When the pipe moves off, we want another pipe to come back. So to do so, we are gonna say if pipe x is greater or minus pipe width. For why I'm using not pipe but pipe width is the reason because we want the pipe to pass completely, and then after it passes completely we want another pipe to come. So once it's done, then the pipe will again come in the canvas. So that's what we wanted, and it's working. Now let's draw. In Flapping Birds we see that pipe has got random gaps or random height. So let's set this pipe's height to be random. So for that I have declared on the variable total top pipe bottom y. So we are gonna now randomize the height of pipe. Instead of 200 we are gonna make it randomized. Now let's declare another variable called pipe gap, and that's gonna be 200. So now to draw, now let's say that top pipe gap y is equals to pipe gap, and it should be randomized. So math.random, and now let's just print, and now let's just draw this top pipe bottom y. So as we save, yeah, we see that this pipe is randomized. Yeah, it's good. That's what we wanted. Now what's left? Now we need to draw a bottom pipe. So for that let's just say top pipe bottom y plus pipe gap. So it would be like bottom pipe over here, and let's just take the last line and let's just say canvas size, so that it is so it's fitting in the canvas. Now we can see that our bird is crossing the pipes, but we don't want it to do so. As in Flapping Birds, the bird die if it crosses the pipe. So let's do it in one line, in this line itself, for we don't want to waste many lines. So over here I'm saying if bird y is greater than top pipe bottom y, or bird y is lesser than top pipe bottom y plus pipe gap plus pipe gap. Yeah, if this condition fulfills, then pipe x is greater than bird size, and bird size is 524 upon 374. So pipe to 4 upon 374. Yeah. So now let's see, is our code working? It is indeed working, but it's not visible. So as this pipe just crosses so fast, now what we want to do is we want to redraw the canvas. We want to redraw these pipes. If the bird dies, we want these pipes to come back. So for that, what we are gonna do is, so we are gonna write this in this. So let's just say pipe x is equals to canvas size. Now let's see. Yeah, it's working. As our bird dashes the pipe, it redraws the canvas redraws the pipe. So that's good. Everything is working. Now what we need is to record our score. So to record our score, we need the score to be in black color. So let's say fill style is equals to black. Then the text should be score. Fill text should be score plus plus, and its coordinate should be a top 9 or top margin of 9, and then a left margin of 25. So I am declaring a variable called score and best score. So you can see at my game the score is already started, but if a bird dies, the score is not stopping. So to stop it, let's just say whenever the bird dies, let's say score is equal to 0. Yeah, it's working. Now we have to record our best score. So for that, let's say if best score is equals to best score, if the score is greater, if the best score is greater, no sorry, if the score is greater than best score, then it should again start recording the best score. It's kind of that. So context dot fill text, and we are saying best and best plus best score. So let's just give it its coordinate. It's 9 by 50. Yeah, it's working, but our bird is not dying. Now why it's not dying? Let's see. Yeah, I see, I have not put it as semicolon. And now let's save. And is our bird dying? Yeah, it's dying. So we have officially completed our fapping bird. So congrats. Now let's see the line. We can just subtract this first 2 lines and the last line for its HTML, right? And our JavaScript, and from line 26 to 30 it's actually a single line. So let's just count it as a single line, and yeah, we have completed our flapping bird in 25 lines of code.